All right, continuing coverage of CES 2025. Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here at the Laxppy booth, that's Laxppy, and we're taking a look. Well, I wanted a drink, but they had a beer dispenser, but they're not dispensing beer because this is in prototype phase, but it's actually really cool. Check this out. This is their automatic beer dispenser. So basically what we have here is we have a little control panel. So let's say I want an IPA, I want a lager, I want something. The barrels are downstairs. The person would come up and they press on this, and then they choose what type of beverage they would want. And then the dispenser would dispense, of course, the beverage in the amount that is recommended, what it's supposed to do. So it's going to save on over pours, and it's going to save on a lot of other things. So it does the same foam every single time unless you indicate otherwise. Let's say you want a foamier beer. Maybe you got, and you're going to have to do a little bit of programming because it really is going to depend on the beer that you have. But I'm guessing that they'll have programs, they'll have beer types that you'll just have to say, okay, I have beer A, I have beer B, I have beer C, and then you'll have it programmed properly for that. So it is a prototype device, so it's not out yet. They're hoping by the end of this year that there'll be something out there. And of course, you could probably call them and say, hey, can I get one for my man cave? But for the most part, this is going to be meant for the bars, the taverns, and the other establishments that serve alcoholic beverages in their shops. So you could actually get a beer, get it quick, and get it with the amount of foam and the amount of beer that you expect from that. So once again, this is called Laxppy, Laxppy. Laxppy.com is where you can go to check this out. And this is some of the cool stuff, some of the prototype stuff that we see at CES 2025. Because they come here, they're looking for distributors, they're looking for people to invest in products, and a lot more. So you could also contact them to see what they're looking for and how you can help if you're a VC or if you are a distributor. So check it all out. We've got a lot more video over at Geekazine.com, youtube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, bell notifications so you know when the next video comes out. Until next time, you guys geek out. Thanks a lot for watching, and get yourself a nicely poured beer through Laxppy.